Beat the summer heat with 5 refreshing mojito recipes each, bursting with flavor, easy to make, and perfect for family and friends. Asterisk Jammin' Mojito in a glass. Muddle jammin' black plum with sugar and lemon juice. Add crushed ice, pour in soda water, and garnish with mint leaves. Result, a tangy, purple-hued mojito that's both refreshing and antioxidant rich. Asterisk Pineapple Mojito Blend. Fresh pineapple chunks with lemon juice. Pour into a glass with crushed ice. Add soda water, and top with mint. Tropical sweetness, balanced with citrus. Sing. Asterisk Mango Mojito Mash. Ripe mango pulp with sugar and lemon juice. Add ice cubes, soda water, and mint leaves. A golden, creamy mojito. Pakistan's favorite summer fruit in a drink. Falsa Mojito Crush. Falsa berries with sugar and lemon juice. Fill the glass with ice, add soda water, and garnish with mint. A tart, cooling mojito that's uniquely desi. Peach Mojito Puri. Fresh peach slices with lemon juice. Add ice, soda water, and mint sprigs. A fragrant mellow mojito with a soft sweetness.